So I was going to go live, but to save you all the pain of sitting in the waiting room with me for hours, I've just done this afterwards. Basically, this morning, because I'm in Australia, I had to wake up at 3 a.m. I wanted to get in and try to grab one of these. And then there were four, which is basically one of the four teams in the conference finals. Let's click that to show you what was included. I missed out on Priority Queue 1 and 2 just because of eligibility requirements. The pack was $89, as you can see. This is what was included, so this is obviously the reason I cared enough to wake up that early. So you had one rare moment, 5 common moments, so 6 is quite a lot, quite a good amount for a pack. Something like this would have been perfect. There's only 750 of these rare moments. Well, each of these moments, obviously, 750 minted. You can see here it was quite a short queue in general. So you had 3 queues, 1,000, 1,500, and then this was the one I had to try and. So I had to try and thread the needle and get a spot in the 750s. So I did get in pretty quick, but I had no chance because I didn't qualify. My drop score isn't high enough for any of these, and this one doesn't necessarily need one. So today was a good day though, because even though I missed out on that one, we did have back-to-back drops. Not Magic Johnson. This one. The conference finals 2022 also dropped today. Much cheaper price, but it's not going to include any rares. Basically, let's have a look. It's got 4 common moments, but it's made up, I believe, of 2. Let's try to find it here. So it's made up of 2 of the conference finals moments, which are minted at 8,250 per moment, and then it's also got 2 just of the regular common, which sits somewhere between there, but just regular base set, the ones you can buy for essentially $2 anytime you want. So I did end up getting a couple of these. I got in pretty quick, so I was able to get 1, and then you can't buy 2. You can only buy 1 at once, but you can rejoin the waiting room in the queue and grab another one there. So I grabbed them this morning, went back to bed for a little bit, and so I'll open them now and see what we've got. Alright, here we go. I've got 2 here waiting. I didn't sleep very well. I had a dream I got a legendary, which is basically impossible, but let's let's see. Let's open her up. Yeah, I love that sound. Love that sound. Alright, where we start? Start at the start. Number 1. Okay, this is one of the commons. Rudy Gobert. 60,000 made. Not great. I think I've seen this one for sale all over the place for $2. So that's not a good start. But it said it had 2 base sets, so basically I was expecting that. Where to next? Number 2. Alright, so this is a playoff one. PJ Tucker. This is one of the conference finals ones I was after. Nice little block there. I only got it back. That's a good play. 8,250 of these ones made. Obviously this is why I bought the pack. Number 4. This is one of the commons. Bogdanovic. This is another 60,000. It's probably only $2 or something like that, but I'm happy to accrue these. Not the best value for money for this pack in that case, I guess, but nice little play, nice little moment. Boosted my score a little bit. Okay, so this is going to be another playoff one. Celtics, Daniel Tice. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, that's nice. I didn't think it would be this good. That's a nice play. It's a hard block. Bets his arm back. That's a good play. That's a nice one. I like it. I like it. Alright, that's one pack. I mean, nothing to write home about. Let's have a look at pack number 2. Hopefully I got a couple of stars in this one. Yeah. Where are we starting this time? Number 3. Let's go. Dollars. Ah, yes. Luca. Oh, the contortionist. That's nice. I'm glad I got a Luca, to be honest, because I already made the thumbnail for this video. And I put Luca in the thumbnail. I really wanted a Luca, so I was just trying to speak that into existence, I guess. There we go. Pretty happy with that. I think this is my first Lucas, so happy to grab these real early. Alright. Derek White, so that's both the playoff ones at once. Fake it, drive it. That's not that different to the Luca one, pretty similar shot. Baseline jumpers, kind of jumpers. Just like a teardrop. Can't believe Boston's in the finals. Crazy. He's been playing pretty good lately. Alright, so I guess I got my 2 comments left. Let's rip the band-aid. Number 1. Justin Holiday. Indiana Pacers. Oh, that's a nice pass from Sabonis. Baseline cut, reverse. That's nice. It's not that good of a moment, but I like it. Alright. Last one, number 2. This is a legendary I dreamt about, I guarantee it. Hassan Whiteside, the opposite. I feel like, I think I have this one. This might be my first double. I definitely have a Hassan Whiteside moment. Alright, let's view my progress. Alright, so I reckon's notable Paul, lowest serial, Daniel Tice. Well, 3,931 isn't really that low, I guess. But I'm happy to grab those playoff moments. Shorter serial. Alright. So, let's have a look. I'm going to go to my collection. Either way, I've added to that TOPSHOT score. I'm curious because I think this Hassan Whiteside, I'm pretty sure it's a double. I don't know if you can see there, I've added some since my last videos for sure. It takes a little while to load the next row, it's a bit annoying. There's a Whiteside here. That's Kings though, so that can't be it. I'm pretty sure I have another one. There it is. Yeah, so that was a double. So I have 3 Hassan Whiteside moments. That seems excessive. I don't know if that's really necessary. I might flip one of them for a trade ticket. See how we go. Yeah, like I said, there's a couple I've added. There's a Buddy Healed. I think I got it on a pretty decent bargain. Fresh Threads. I've been trying to grab ones that aren't just base sets every time I add, so this one's from Fresh Threads, I guess because he got traded to the Pacers. What was another one? Yeah, my Dwight Howard I don't think I've shown from the archive set, which was last year's. How many is that? 20,000 of these made. Geez, they had some bad. No, that's a nice dunk. The 2000s just. It's lucky they could even get highlights out of this because you can barely see what's happening in those 2000s highlights. It seems like they're worse than the 40s. Yeah, look at this. Anyway, Manu, this is a nice little play. another one from the archive set, another one common, 20,000 only made though. Like I said, I've been trying to pick up these ones that aren't just base set. At least they're adding to another set for me, so I can start collecting different sets, get that top shot score a little bit higher, trying to get them on bargains. But yeah, that's basically it.